Welcome to another video by School of RPA. Now, recently, one of my student just asked me, "Sir, what is the future of RPA?" What he was really concerned about was, if he was in the right field or not, and that got me thinking. Hence, the topic of today's video: future of RPA. So, in today's video, we will cover the introduction, the beginning of RPA, the next wave of RPA adoption, open source RPA, process mining, RPA and AI, and the conclusion. Robotic process automation is changing business process in almost every industry by streamlining data entry and other low-level tasks. Presently, the innovation which populist digital forms the small amount of time it takes people to do likewise is getting long overdue upgrade. Progression in machine learning and artificial intelligence is making business ready for intelligent automation. A more brilliant brand of RPA that figures out how to execute entire business process with context instead of the progression of discrete tasks. However, most companies have much bigger fish to fry than simply keeping operational costs low and bridging technology gaps. Also, with regard to really delivering business results from on-time delivery, income growth, or with elusive customer experience, RPA is actually a small piece of a lot bigger picture. RPA begin as a business user-focused domain. However, as application of RPA become all the more high impact and business crucial, we begin to see more developer-oriented tools emerging. With these developer tools, RPA execution is becoming a greater degree a space for software robot developers, not as much for easy-going business users. Software robot developers need to embrace all the accepted procedures of developers. So sharing and reusing code turns into an ordinary method of working. Next wave of RPA adoption. You will soon see start of the next wave of RPA adoption. Small and medium-sized companies will search for approaches to fuse business automation tools. However, without their own committed IT employees, a market need will emerge for another service provider, robotics as a service operator. RAS administrator will guarantee a segment of the market, with certain operators concentrating on exclusive verticals of others being general automation service providers. We as a whole realize that for organizations to be competitive, they have to deliver on customer experience. To deliver on customer experience, they need extraordinary procedures. Furthermore, to arrive at the process excellence, you have to really comprehend your procedures and focus on value generating activities first and afterwards put resources into tools that will enable you to identify, remediate, and remove the pain points obstructing the smooth running of your company. Open source RPA. Sometimes process should be corrected, optimized, or orchestrated differently over numerous systems or divisions as opposed to just being automated. Truth be told, process excellence doesn't really require automation so frequently as you might suspect. The demand for open source RPA software is going to increase. With taking everyone into account, the companies favor open source solutions since they offer more transparency and will, in general, be less expensive as companies only need to pay for services. These improvements favor open source RPA. What's more, we are seeing the growth of open source RPA ecosystem with new organizations being launched. If the revenue-driven organization can build a competitive RPA product, it could guarantee a huge portion of the RPA market. We don't yet observe such a solution in the market. Process mining comes in. This is a place process mining comes in. The innovation use of both business information and user interaction data to deliver a genuine image of what process really resemble. We are talking about each progression in some random procedure and all the moves individuals are making in the middle of those steps to make the procedure happen. That living, breathing, moving snapshot empowers companies to find friction, remove it, and continuously monitor upgrades the effect of those progression on your business results. RP is irrefutably a part of streamlining user interaction tasks in the correct spots, places. It turns out to be a lot simpler to recognize when you need visibility over what's happening in your business. In any case, it's just one of the numerous tools available to you to accomplish process excellence and implement a fully integrated and frictionless process and system landscape. RPA and AI. After some time, bigger organizations that are as of now utilizing RPA will search for additional approaches to utilize automation tools to be progressively more effective with conventional act of outsourcing operational tasks to low-cost regions being supplemented by a wealth of in-house RPA developers. This practice, known as robo-sourcing, will see programming robot developers automating work and outsourcing tasks to robots to help improve employee efficiency and increase job satisfaction. RPA is simpler and faster to deploy. Cognitive automation empowers RPA to use AI and machine learning to extend the scope of procedures it can automate. This brings us to the end of our video. And to conclude, we will say that the next level of automation will be unlocked when the machine learning abilities and artificial intelligence becomes smart enough to deploy RPA intelligently. In any case, to take a look at automation as the most important thing in the world is to miss the master plan, one where automation is just a single part of achieving process excellence. It's a section that should be orchestrated with regards to that broader vision, closed by different tools that deliver what RPA alone can't. Visibly, intelligent optimization and a direct impact on overarching business outcomes. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. And are you interested in learning robotic process automation? Well, we have some courses for you. We have courses on Blue Prism, UiPath, WorkFusion, and Wind Automation. If you are a non-technical person and still want to learn RPA, we have RPA Business Analyst training for you. So pick up a phone and call us on 900 480 9189 for your free consultation. Thank you and have a nice day.